Okay, mastering homemade fried rice is just fire. It is the most creative, fun thing that you really can get in the kitchen and make. The secret is day old cold rice. Fry your rice when it's cold. I tried brown rice this time. I'm going to go back to my jasmine rice or long grain white rice that I had before. You need sesame oil, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, sriracha, and good butter. I think that all those things together, of course, with lots of green onions, white onions, garlic, eggs, um, then I say sriracha, it just kind of all comes together. I put the eggs in kind of last so it doesn't just like break up. I did shrimp and chicken fried rice. I marinated the chicken the day before and then I kind of sauteed it because I wanted it to have flavor, and I got good shrimp just to start off with. And it's just a matter of flipping it around in that skillet and continuing to add ingredients until the taste get to where you want it. I think this came out pretty good.